Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, March 27th, and you know what time it is. We're going to get into the prices of cryptocurrencies. Okay, so all day we saw a slow and steady climb as all cryptocurrencies crept back up. But at the end of the day, most of them just tanked. Let's run over the prices of the top 4 cryptocurrencies, and then let's get into the chart of Bitcoin to show you what I'm talking about. So basically, Bitcoin ended the same that it did when I did yesterday's video, $6,676.56. This is up 0.02%. Ethereum is up 1.1% at $137.39. Dash is up 0.4% at $68.14. And Litecoin doing really well, up 3.4% at $40.22. Now, if we take a look at this chart here, you can see that the price was down to 6,500 yesterday morning, but as the day went on, it shot all the way up to $6,800. But at about 5 o'clock Central Time, it tanked down to $6,600. Join us later today when we cover the top news articles in the last 24 hours, and maybe we'll be able to see some correlation between this tank and what's going on in the news. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. Please don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you in the later video.